We often think we have reached our limits, that we are at the top, and from here, the road only goes down. Sometimes we know we're on the right path. We get to a crossroad and don't know how to proceed. It is important to understand that all barriers we face, they are only in our heads. We must face our fears. We live in truly great times, a time when every single person of the 7 billion people on Earth has an opportunity to connect to a like-minded person. We just need to make an effort. We're all unique, and each of us has his or her own path in this world. Life always gives us a chance. If we put this chance to proper use, our dreams will come true. Do not miss your chance. Apply now and access a network of coaches and mentors who will work with you online over 9 weeks, culminating in a boot camp in Kazan. Grow by learning from the best and perform at your peak level.